Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the ringtone problem in your device OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. Before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get new videos. Now let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro you are having any issue related to the ringtone or the ringtone volume, you can solve this problem by the method as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro ringtone problem in your device.